course. What a misunderstanding. This is all Pink Diamond.
Hey, come here.
If Steven can save the universe, I can save a roller coaster! But saving the universe took time!
Man, you had a better work-life balance when the diamonds were trying to destroy the planet.
That was then. This is now.
Ugh. Hey, you know what we haven't done in a long time?
I'm hardly alone. This little smarty is named... I'm still not playing!
You shouldn't have brought him here, Steven.
No, it's fine. It's good.